Hi there, in this video we will be replacing this solenoid valve in a Volkswagen Lupo 1.4 16 valve engine. Okay, so this is the error that we are getting, and we will replace the solenoid valve and hopefully fix this problem. First thing that you need to do is remove this cover, which has 4 screws on it. This type of screws, as you can see here, H5s. Okay, and now at least we can get this thing out and we see a little bit more. And we cannot change it because it does not exist. Normally it should be around here, but it seems something was changed in here. This is from one type of engine, this is from another type of engine. The engine that had this should have the EGR valve here. The engine that has this should have had it somewhere around here. And basically we have the parts that did not accept any of those variants, so this doesn't have it, and that's why we get the error. The ECU is searching for it, but it does not exist, and there's no way to add it unless changing the exhaust with the one that accepts an EGR. But we don't also have any connectors anymore. Maybe they cut them off when they changed something, or it was like this, a weird combined model, I have no clue. But yeah, nowhere to put it because it actually does not exist. So yeah, selling that thing now. So this is the type of EGR valve I thought I have on the motor. I don't even have this hose. Actually, it's not a hose, it's a metal tube. So yeah, there's that. This is another variant where it's kind of connected to the exhaust somehow. I have no idea how that works, but hey. Nope, I don't have that either. So somehow my engine is a combination where it has most of it from this one, but the exhaust from this one. So it just does not have a EGR valve. Yes, the ECU thinks it should have one. No wires for it, no place to connect it. I cannot do anything about it, but let it run as is with that error. And yeah, it is what it is. Does not create any smoke, doesn't consume too much, it idles just normally, it runs normally. But so the error, search online, and everybody was saying, hey, replace this thingy. Well, I don't have it. But something's fishy with this engine. It was probably replaced. But yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Kind of weird, but hey, we deal with what we get. That's about it for the video. Hope it helps you, but I don't know how. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.